Hello, I'm teacher Kendra, and today we are learning about natural resources. We are studying for the citizenship test in Canada, and one of the questions that you can get on the test is, what are some natural resources important to your region's economy today? Now for economy, I've included some translations in Arabic, Burmese, Chinese, Somali, and Amharic. Economy is what gives our countries money. How do we sell our resources to get money and to make sure everybody is healthy and everybody is working? So economy gives us jobs and money. But what does natural resources mean? Let's look at natural. 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 Resources. 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 Natural resources. What does natural resources mean? Natural resources are anything found in nature that we can use to help the economy. Nature is outside. Nature is what God has created. Is this natural? No, this is not natural. This is a ball. Okay, so natural resources are like water, oil, forest, rocks, mineral, soils, and animals. We can use these things in nature to help our economy grow, to give us jobs, to give us money, to supply our needs. I need to eat. I need to build houses. We need to drink, so we need electricity. So natural resources are anything found in nature that we can use to help ourselves and help the economy. Here are some natural resources in Canada. In Canada, we have forests. We have oil. We have fish. We have agriculture. We have water. We have uranium. And we have natural gas. So these are not all of the resources in Canada, but these are some of the biggest natural resources in Canada. But what is agriculture? Agriculture. Agriculture. We have been studying about Saskatchewan, and you have seen these words: farmland, fertile land, arable land, wheat, canola. You know these words about land and canola. Well, animals, wheat, and land, this is all part of agriculture. Agriculture. So on the Canada Citizenship test, you might see the word agriculture. Agriculture. That is growing, raising animals, and plowing land to grow food. So the citizenship test question we're looking at today is, what are some natural resources important to your region's economy today? What is your region? What is your region? There are 5 regions in Canada, and I live in the Prairie provinces region. The North, the West Coast, Prairie provinces, Central Canada, and Atlantic provinces. Which region do you live in? I live in the Prairie provinces region. So, what are some natural resources important to your region's economy today? We are reading the Discover Canada Study Guide, pages 48 and 49. When you study for the Canada Citizenship test, you need to read the Discover Canada Study Guide. You will find all of the answers in this book. Okay, so the Prairie provinces. This is from the Discover Canada Study Guide. Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Alberta are the Prairie provinces, rich in energy resources and some of the most fertile farmland in the world. The region is mostly dry with cold winters and hot summers. What are the Prairie provinces? The Prairie provinces are Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Alberta. What kind of natural resources do they have? They have energy. They have farmland. And it is dry, so there is not very much water. The Prairie provinces are not beside the ocean. There is not very much water. It is dry. Now, my students and I live in Saskatchewan. So today we will not talk about Manitoba and Alberta. We will look at Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan, once known as the breadbasket of the world and the wheat province, has 40% of the arable land in Canada and is the country's largest producer of grains and oilseeds. It also boasts the world's richest deposits of uranium and potash used in fertilizer and produces oil and natural gas. So what resources are in Saskatchewan? The wheat province means we grow a lot of wheat. Arable land, that means it is agriculture. We have agriculture. Uranium, oil, natural gas. These are all natural resources in Saskatchewan in the Prairie region. What is uranium? Uranium. Uranium is used for energy. Remember, when we were looking at the Prairie provinces, it says energy, energy. And in Saskatchewan, we have uranium. And uranium, this rock, is used to make energy. That is a natural resource. What is potash? Potash is used as a fertilizer to help crops grow. So this rock, called potash, makes fertilizer. They put the fertilizer on the ground and it helps the wheat and the corn to grow bigger. So potash is used in agriculture. So let's look at these natural resources. Please check the most important resources found in the Prairie province region. Do the Prairie provinces have forests? Not really. Do the Prairie provinces have oil? Yes, they do. Does the Prairie province region have fish? Well, there is some fish, but it does not help our economy very much. So no, fish is not an important resource for the Prairie province region. Does the Prairie province region have agriculture? Yes, agriculture is a very important resource in the Prairie provinces. Does the Prairie province region have water? Well, yes, we do have water, but it is not a big resource. It's not a big resource. But we do have uranium. Saskatchewan has uranium. It has a lot of uranium. It is important for our economy. Natural gas. Does the Prairie Province region have natural gas? Yes, it's a very important part of our economy. In my house, in the wintertime, I have a furnace. It heats up my house and it makes it hot. My furnace does not run on electricity. My furnace runs on natural gas. Sask Energy natural gas. So I am thankful for natural gas because it heats up my home and makes it nice and warm in the wintertime. I am thankful for oil because they use it to make gasoline, which I can put in my car. I am thankful for uranium because they make energy which can be used for electricity. The lights in my house, electricity, some of that comes from uranium. And I'm thankful for agriculture because a lot of the food that we eat, like bread and pasta and corn and beef and chicken, a lot of that comes from the agriculture of Saskatchewan. So I'm very thankful for natural resources. So, the citizenship test question. Oh no, I made a mistake. Just wait for me. Okay. Okay, now there is no answer. Let's go back to our test question. Now you read. Good. What are some natural resources important to your region's economy today? Is the answer A, the Prairie Province region? What are some natural resources important to your region's economy today? Is the answer B, fishing, forestry, and oil are natural resources in the Prairie Province region? What are some natural resources important to your region's economy today? Is the answer C, Saskatchewan is the breadbasket of the world? What are some natural resources important to your region's economy today? Is the answer D, agriculture, oil, natural gas, and uranium are natural resources important to the Prairie Province region's economy. So, please tell me in the comments or send me a message. What are some natural resources important to your region's economy today? Is it A, B, C, or D? Please write it in the comments on YouTube or send me a message if you are my student. I hope that you enjoy learning about Saskatchewan, the Prairie Province region, and natural resources. Have a good day and thank you for watching.